Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video I'll show how to change your YouTube indie skin. So I'm just Canva Pro and edit organic orange and green payful. Thanks for watching. So click this template and customize this template, and this is the video file. So guys, wait for full loading, and I just play this video on 3 seconds or 5 seconds, total 8 seconds in this skin video. Thanks for watching. And this side and have one video element. So guys, this is my old template, so I'm just customize new look. So I'm back video first and just thanks for watching. Okay, and how to add custom text. So thanks for watching this video. Okay, just watching middle side and click zoom, and thanks for watching. Okay, now duplicate these sections. Okay, watching this video. So I'm just type this video and copy and then replace the text. Okay, and I'm changing color. So select all and click text color and edit, and I use blue and click other side. Thanks for watching this video. Okay, now play next. Okay, this is the height template, and enjoy and subscribe for more video. So guys, this text is totally delete, and subscriber I added new button. So guys, just typing subscribe for more video and subscribe button, and this is the one last in this skin video. So I hope understand, and I watching this full video last time. Okay, just click here, and thanks for watching this video, and subscriber for more video and subscribe button, and this is the middle point, and you can add in this skin video. So I hope subscribe this channel and like this video.